Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy FundedNext account. First, open your browser and go to the FundedNext website. Click Login and choose Register to create a new account. Fill in your personal details such as your name, date of birth, country, email, phone number, and password, then agree to the terms and complete the registration. After logging in, go to your dashboard and click Start Challenge. Here you can choose between CFD trading or futures trading and select an account size like 6K, 15K, 25K, 50K, 100K, or 200K. Next, choose your trading platform such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, or MatchTrader. You can also select options like swap type and additional add-ons. Finally, agree to the terms, choose a payment method such as PayPal, Apple Pay, Crypto, Google Pay, or Skrill, and complete the payment. Once the purchase is finished, your Funded Challenge account will appear in the Accounts section of your dashboard. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.